Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has said that Bengaluru should be developed as a global hub for agricultural technology, similar to how it has become a leading center for information technology. He stressed that innovations in agriculture must be effectively transferred to farmers to improve productivity and income. He made these remarks after inaugurating the Global Agri Tech Summit-2026, organized by the Federation of Karnataka Chambers of Commerce and Industry in Bengaluru. The Chief Minister highlighted the importance of using advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, in the agriculture sector to ensure overall development. He said events like the summit help bridge the gap between farmers and new farming technologies and practices. Siddaramaiah also encouraged greater participation of farmers in such initiatives and appreciated the exhibition on organic farming and agricultural machinery held alongside the summit. However, he suggested that such exhibitions could be organized separately for better focus and impact. Emphasizing the need to make agriculture more viable, he said India's economy is largely agrarian and ensuring profitability in farming is essential. He noted that many young people are moving away from agriculture, but they would return if the sector becomes more profitable. He said the state government has introduced several schemes to support farmers and improve their income, and called on industries to actively contribute to strengthening the agriculture sector. Referring to the Krishi Bhagya scheme, Siddaramaiah said it was designed to support farmers, especially those in dryland areas. He pointed out that Karnataka has a large share of dryland and ranks second in the country in this category. He also alleged that the BJP previous government has discontinued the scheme, which has now been revived. He added that agricultural loans worth 70,000 crore rupees have been provided to around 83 lakh farmers. Additionally, 8,000 crore rupees was allocated last year for infrastructure development under the Chief Minister's program. The Chief Minister further stated that although Karnataka ranks first in industry and rural development, investment in agriculture sector must increase significantly to make farming more profitable and sustainable. For more such update, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.